Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I want to introduce us to Circuit Space Engineering Services automation training. Okay, this automation training has basic, intermediate, and advanced level. Okay, many people approach automation, looking at softwares like TIO Portal, ABL Embroidery Studio, EcoStructure, and so many, big softwares for big projects. But you can actually start it little. There are so many free softwares that can educate you so much about automation. At Circuit Space, we have these courses in basic, intermediate, and advanced. And at this basic level, it's going to help you a lot. So today, I'm going to introduce you to these free softwares that you can have handy. With most of them have what we call the training environment to actually help you understand what you are doing. Okay, so the first one I'm going to introduce us to is what we'll call the FX Trainer. FX Trainer software is it's called Mexec FX Trainer software by Mitsubishi. Okay, this is the software. There are so many. These are self-learning classes. Okay, self-learning classes. If you open this, this is a basic IO program. It comes up with the instructions, what you will do, how to program. Now, if you look here, this is your program environment, this is the PLC, and this is the operators panel, and this is the field. Okay, let me remove this. This is the, you can see, this is the plant floor. The plant floor, you can see it is all in one to educate you, guide you on how to understand programming, the operations, the operators, and then how the program, what you program actually takes effect on the plant floor. Very, very important. Okay, let's look at some other one. Let me look at Easy Does It. I'll look at timer operation. Okay, there are so many programs to be run here. Here you can see this. This is a gate. Okay, you have to learn how to open this gate. When it goes up, gets to a limit, it stops. It comes down to a limit, it stops. And when it's opening, the red light should be on. When it's functioning, you have the red light. When it's not functioning, then you have the green light there. So this is free. Can see this is the plant floor. This is the plant floor. Okay, this is the plant floor, and here is operators panel. This is the PLC, and this is the program environment. You see, so this is where I write the program. If I want to write the program, this is where I write it. Okay, so writing the program. If I click edit ladder, everybody will be ready for everybody will be ready. Now I can write the program. Okay, so these are the program instructions. Okay, once I click this, okay, I will give it a name. Whenever I give it a name, it comes up. Okay, I can take an output and give it a name. You see, it's there. You just run your program and everything will be fine. So this is Mitsubishi FS. Okay, okay. Beyond this, we are going to look at there is another one we'll call the one from Delta. Okay, before I go to Delta, please, this very one, okay, has so many environment where you can actually run programs. So you can see we have let's learn, we have let's study the basics, we have easy does it, we have beginners challenge, we have intermediate challenge, and we have advanced challenge. Okay, so all these are what you get when you use this Mezek series of Mitsubishi FX. Very important. Okay, so we will go to the next one, WPL Soft. This WPL Soft is also a free software. Okay, it's by Delta. You see, is by Delta Incorporated. It's also free. Okay, it has its own PLC embedded. Okay, if you want to use it, once you take a new program, okay, and this is the program environment where you write your program. Okay, so see, everything is set. I can write my program. Okay, this is my input. Okay, you can see it's already there, and I can choose an output. This output is already there. You can see everything is working fast and fine. If I want to test this program, all I need to do is to start the simulator. This is the simulator here. I start the simulator. Once I start the simulator, the system will be ready to compile this program and also do what? Run it for me. And then I can then download the program and then put the PLC in run mode and then run the program. That's all. Remember, it's an introduction we are doing. Okay, so there's another one also, which is also very nice. We can introduce ourselves to. And that one is by Alan Bradley. Okay, it has there are three softwares in one. Number one, this one is called SLC 500. So number one is the emulator. So I will run the emulator first. This is the emulator. So once you run the emulator, it will be on. Then the next thing, you run what we call the classic link. Classic link is the link between the emulator and your program environment. Then the next is you run the micro English, which is the micro English. So I can minimize all these guys. The setup, if you are the first timer, you will actually need to set it up. Okay, I think I can go through the setup so that we also understand. But that will be when we are now going software by software in training. Anyone will take, we should be able to set it up. You see how it's set up. Okay, now you see this is an environment of program. Okay, so if I take I choose, let me say I take an 1100 series. Remember, here we have 1100. Okay, we have 1000 series, 1100 series, we have 2400 series, we have 1400 series, we have 15, we have 14, we have 15, we have 1700 series. Okay, in this you can actually program with this from this using this environment. Okay, so I'm taking 1100 series. So I say okay. So you can see now, look at this place, this gray zone. If I click on it, this man turns red. What it means, I'm ready to program. So if I click on this, this is add new rung. Now new rung is added, so I can choose. You can see this input. So I can go to okay, let me open this a little bit so that it will be easy for us to actually get what I'm trying to do. Okay, so now if I go to the input, I can just take an address and I assign it here. Okay, then I will also come back to the rung and then I'll click this an output. Okay, so here this is an output. Okay, which will be here. Okay, and I'll go to output and I'll assign it an address, and that's fine. I'm done. So the next thing is to do what? Look, he said verify. Look down here. Down here you can see from my cursor, verify has completed, no errors found. So I can compile the project, I can download it. Okay, I can now download it. Okay, and then run the program and it will be fine. So these three softwares. There are other ones. Okay, like a Codesys also. Therefore, but these ones are basic. They will help you. They have the simulators within them that will make you enjoy what you are doing, see what you are doing. Okay. Another one, we have another one also that can help in this regard. We have another one that can help in this regard. Okay, it's called Logix Pro. Okay, Logix Pro is a wonderful program environment. Okay, that can help you understand what you are doing. Like this is the environment. Okay, and there are so many simulations here. Here we have IO simulator. This is how it looks like, this IO simulator. And also we have DOS simulations. This is DOS simulations. And also we have silo simulations. You see the silos, you have to simulate silo. The material is as this block is moving, and then the silo is filling it up and it's moving. So you have to learn to simulate how to program this guy to work effectively. Okay, it has its own exercises. Okay, the exercises has basic, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, then you have traffic. Okay, traffic simulations. Okay, it helps a lot. So there are batch simulator, BCD, back compressor, bottle line, elevator, and all that. So it helps you a whole lot. Okay, let's look at the DOS simulation for example. From what we are having here, what you need to do is when you click here, this is the environment for programming. So you add new rung. Okay, you add new rung. Clicking on the new rung you added, so you can just select. This is for your start. Okay, you can then when you control, where they say open, the door open. This is the door open command, right? So we can pick the address and drop it here. Okay, can see it is dropped. Then I can also pick the output. This output. The output is to open the door, and here motor up, motor down. So let me go for motor up, then I'll put it here. So that's it. Okay, I'm done. So what I do, I'll just come here, download it to the PLC. Okay, it's downloaded to the PLC. Okay, the next thing I'll do is to do what? Go online, and then here I will say run. So if I click on open, they start opening. You can see the door is opening. You see, though I didn't put the limits and all that. Just this is just an introduction to show you that there are so many free softwares that can actually help you, assist you to learn automation. Thank you very much. Remember, this is Circuit Space Engineering Services, and the person that driving it is me. Okay, MMP. Okay, that's thank you very much, and God bless you. See you next time.